bird drone would help us to understand all of the science behind the migratory birds to help aviation industry in order to study that how each bird save energy depending on their positions in the flock. So using this new technology that we are developing, the taxidermy bird drone would help us to understand all of the science behind the migratory birds to help aviation industry. So it's basically if we learn how these birds, they manage the energy between themselves, we can apply them into the future aviation industry to save more energy and save more fuel, and which will be more economics in the future in aviation industry. We came with this idea that we can use and re-engineer birds and dead birds and make them as a drone. And the only thing that we need to provide them to make them alive is to basically design an actuation mechanism, put it in their body, and everything is there. So they have their tail, they have their wings, they have their head, the body, everything is there. So we do reverse engineering. We'll calculate what has been the weight of the bird while it was alive, what has been its flapping frequency, what flapping angle they have flapped, and just create something similar.
And one of those things that we're really interested in is actually the color of birds. And most of the time people look at bird color and say, well, it's either for attracting mates or for camouflage. What we as engineers see is, we're certainly not saying that that isn't the case, but we think there may be other purposes to color. And one of those we believe is flight efficiency.
The plan is to develop these type of technologies, and we firstly want to test it in the wildlife to see that how also nature responds to this.